Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. In today's quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to manage outstanding invoices in Wave so that you can stay on top of your cash flow and gently nudge those clients who are a little late on payments. Let's dive in. First step is to log into your Wave account. And once you're logged in with your credentials, from the left hand navigation, you're going to click on Sales and then you're going to select Invoices. Here you're going to see a full list of all your invoices. You can use the status filter at the top to quickly view just the unpaid or overdue or draft invoices. You can also sort by due dates or customer names to prioritize follow-ups. For each outstanding invoice, you can take actions directly from this page. So to send a reminder, just click the drop-down arrow beside the invoice and choose Send Reminder. Wave will automatically generate a polite email with payment details. If a client has made a partial payment, you're going to see it listed under the invoice status. You can click on the invoice to view payment history. You can also add manual payments or even resend it with updated amounts. And don't forget that you can set automatic payment reminders in the settings invoice section. So a Wave will help you do follow-ups for transactions. Tracking and managing outstanding invoices regularly ensures that your business stays financially healthy and make sure that you get paid on time. That's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already, and I'll see you in the next.